To install the Moodle app, open your App Store and search for Moodle. Click on Install. Once the installation is complete, click on Open. Click on I'm a learner. In the Your Site dialog, type learn.flu.education. Now, click on Connect to your site. Enter your username and login details, and click on Login.